which is really, really important, okay? So guys, let's recap. Let's recap real quick here. We covered a lot. 3 secrets you learned, right? Top secret number 1 is how you can find the best and highest paying offers to make the most money possible. We went over that, right? How to find the top offers, going on a Clickbank, going on the marketplace, hitting the search icon, finding our top offer, right? Top secret number 2 was we learned how to use your Facebook account, how to go to business.facebook.com/create, create your ad account, target the right people, laser target people with the offer that you're promoting on Clickbank so you can make big commission. And then top secret number 3, how you can use my 3-step method that psychologically forces people to buy your offers. You know, with the ad, with the landing page, with the offer, that is the 3 steps that gets you success and helps you make a bunch of money. And guys, this is literally the same system that I use personally and to this day continue to use to become the #1 Clickbank affiliate in the entire world, having done as much as $50,000 in a single day using this system. And it is literally the same system being used by hundreds and thousands already to get massive, massive, massive results, right? Now, it's time for you to learn how to make $1,000 a day with the same exact system that I've learned, that thousands of my students have learned, and now it's time for you to learn how to do it too, guys. Does that sound good? Go ahead and type in the chat if you're ready to learn how to actually make this happen. Yes, yes, hell yes. There's a lot of hell yeses coming in. Yep, absolutely. Cool. Awesome. So with everything you've learned today, guys, you really have 2 choices and 2 choices only, right? The first choice is, you know, you can kind of figure it on your own and see if it works and without any help or guidance and just kind of go it yourself, right? And you can definitely do that. And I know that some people have, but boy, it takes a lot longer, right? And you make a lot more mistakes, and actually it costs you a ton of money in the long run, okay? I can't tell you how much money I've quote unquote lost from silly, stupid mistakes I made along the way because I didn't really have anyone to kind of help me and guide me and get me to where I am today, right? And you have the opportunity to learn from someone, right? So option number 1 is you can do it yourself, right? Not really a good option. Option number 2 is you can do it right the first time, but getting the exact action steps, blueprint, and most importantly, coaching from me, the #1 Clickbank affiliate in the entire world, right? Those are your 2 options, right? You can learn it on your own, or you can learn it from me. Which, if you choose number 2, honestly, that is the best call, right? Because I personally believe that the fastest way to success is learning from a mentor, someone who's been there before, right? When you first learn how to drive, who do you learn driving from? Someone that knows how to drive, right? If you learn how to play basketball, you learn from someone who knows how to play basketball, right? Getting a coach and mentor is important. It buys speed to get you to where you're going a lot and want to go a lot faster, right? And so that's why I'm so excited with you guys today, because I want to share with you how you can get started right now with my brand new Commission Hero program, right? And my Commission Hero system has literally changed the lives of thousands of students over the past year. And I know without a doubt it will change your life too in ways you can't even imagine, right? Because everything I showed you today is literally a drop in the bucket because there's so much more. So Commission Hero has one mission this year, and that's to help you get generating anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a day or more and be on track for 6 figures, right? And this is the beauty of this system. It doesn't matter what's going on with the stock market or issues, right? People are going to be working. You're going to be able to work from home. You're going to be able to spend time with your friends and family and still generate life-changing income every single day. And this is literally, this system, Commission Hero, has changed people's lives, right? You can see these are some screenshots of people that have posted in our coaching group, right? You can see Lee here got a $1,000 day. You can see that Matt was closing in on a $1,000 a day. People like Rihanna here had their first sale alert. I love that, first sale alert, which is super cool. And then we have so many other screenshots, right? Carly having multiple $1,000 days. Awesome having $2,000 days, $2,800 days. We have other students that are hitting $1,300 days, first sale. I mean, just really amazing stuff. It just works again and again and again and again. And guys, this is what it's all about, right? And these are people from all over the world who had no experience that are jumping into Commission Hero and within weeks are seeing success like you see right here, okay? Now, I want to share a couple stories with you, right? So one of these students is Stephanie. Now, Stephanie joined Commission Hero probably about a month and a half ago, right? Prior to us doing this workshop. And so she jumped in, and so she was able to kind of go through the course. She's a stay-at-home mom with 2 boys, and so she wanted something that she could do online. And so she ended up joining Commission Hero, and she started her ad. She spent $20 on an ad.